Hey, this is Chris Brown. I'm here to demonstrate my MegaDesk application for CIT 365. This week was the first week that we are developing the application as a team. So I'm partnered up with Melissa Moak. She is an excellent, excellent partner. I feel really, really fortunate. Um, This week in the application, one of the requirements was that in calculating the cost consequence of ordering a desk in a rush, we were supposed to get the pricing information from a text file and load that text file into an integer array, which we then could use to figure out the exact dollar amount that we need to charge for that rush order. So we're going to take a look at that. I've set a breakpoint here. But let's go ahead and jump into the application. Okay, so we're just going to click on the add new quote, quickly enter a test customer, and let's do something 48 by 24, let's say 2 drawers. Let's do laminate, and I'm going to make sure that we do a rush order, and let's do 3 days. That's the most expensive, and we're going to submit that quote. We see that it hits the breakpoint here, and if I then execute that, you can see that it has loaded up this rush day prices 3 by 3 integer array, which then is going to be used to determine that actual price. And we'll take a quick look at the text file behind this in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that breakpoint then, and let's just move on in the application. Let's drag this up so you can see it. So here you can see the end result of that quote. And of course, the only thing we need to do from here is close the display, and it'll take us back to the menu. The other thing that we had to do this week is previously our quotes were just stored as comma separated text file lines. And this week, our assignment was to change that to use JSON to serialize and deserialize these quotes and save them in the file in that format. So let's take a quick look there. First, I just want to quickly confirm, here's my text file that has those prices for the rush order stuff. And you can just see it's a simple straight line file that ends up getting loaded into that 3 by 3 integer array. But here is our new JSON formatted quotes file. So let's take a quick look at that. And you can see here are the quotes that we've done our testing with, and they are now in JSON format. And you can see here's this last line, the one that I just entered for the test customer with the rush order days and the price of $622. So you can see that it added that to the file. So that JSON serialize and deserialize piece is pretty slick. Really like how that works. If we go back to the application, you can see when we view quotes, it's going to have to read through that file and deserialize those. And so you can see the results here. And this is a piece specifically that Melissa worked on. And man, I think she just knocked it out of the park. Filled the list view here with the individual columns for the data elements. It just looks great. I think it's fantastic. And did the same thing for the search quotes. So very similar, depending on which material type, it's going to find in that file the ones that refer to that material. And other than that, it looks pretty much the same in that we filled the list view with the individual columns. Again, I just think Melissa knocked it out of the park. It really looks great. And that's pretty much the assignment. That's what we did. So hope you liked it. Thanks.